Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you where is the power button on the Sony Bravia Smart TV, and this is the 32-inch model. So now let's begin. And as you can see on the table right now, if we just look on the TV, there is no power button on it. If we just look at the TV and we cannot find the power button on it, so you need to look on the button on the TV. So and the power button will take place on below of the TV. So you can see is logo, the Sony logo, and then on the bottom of the TV next to the speaker, it have the power button here. So you just press the power button, and then the TV is going to turn on. And two other, and here is another button, is the volume up and the volume down button. So when I press on it, so you can see the volume up and volume down. When I press hold on it, it power off the TV. So we just press the power button one more time, and then we can make the program changing. It's the channel changing. So we press another power button, it will change the HDMI. It's back to the, so we have option to choose. Just press the power button one time and it will change the program, display, sound, and back to programs again. So to turn off the TV, you just press hold it on, and then the power is off. Okay, and that's all for today's video of how you can find the power button on the Sony Smart TV and the function of the power button that you can use. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.